Important thing about playing any scale on the keyboard is your hand position. Now, if you look at my hand position, you'll notice that my knuckles are the highest point of my hand. The knuckles of my fingers here are curved and my thumb is curved in, almost like holding a ball. When you hold a ball, you don't hold a ball like that. You always have your thumb also around the ball. So if I had to put my hand like this on the keyboard, that's the position that you'd have. Let me just hold my hand like this and you can see my thumb is curved in. Don't let your thumb shoot out to the side like that, because you're going to end up maybe hitting a double note or hitting the wrong note. The thumb has always got to point towards the inside of the hand. Okay, so there's my position. Same with the left hand. My thumbs are pointed inwards. That just doesn't look right. Okay, the other thing is, let me just show you some incorrect positions. First of all, that's not going to be a good position. My thumbs are not engaging on the keyboard. Okay, they're actually not reaching the keyboard. Because our thumbs are shorter than the other fingers, you've got to move your hand in, curve your fingers, and your thumbs will be able to reach the keyboard. Now, the thumbs are very, very important, as well as the pinky, because they're always extension fingers. So say, for example, I want to play that key over there. Guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to extend. Okay, same thing over here. Extend. So those two fingers are extension fingers. Back to the whole thing about the thumb is keep it curved inwards. Never straighten your fingers. We don't play keyboard like that. The other thing is, don't play right on the edge of the key, because then once again your thumb can't engage. The position of the thumb is important because it actually facilitates the correct position of the hand. The moment I take away the thumb, okay, my hand actually just collapses. We don't play like that. Okay, so you got to consider that your fingers are always got to be curved at the knuckle. The first knuckles here and then the top knuckles here need to be a little bit raised. It's not like that. Notice this as well, is that my forearm is straight. It's not like that. It's not like that. Okay? It's straight, sort of like in line with the keys, but it's my thumb that actually helps my hand going to the right position. The moment I take my thumb away, everything else collapses. Okay, does that make sense to you? Same thing here. Take away my thumb, everything collapses. Essentially, I only have 4 fingers to play with, which is not really going to help. So let's